a way for me. I follow like over 30 years, and it gives me a good position in social life. So I feel stronger, I feel more relaxed, I have more friends, and I have a better contact with other people all around the world. This is a great and a big family, and I'm happy to be a part of the Tendoryu family.
Discover what life actually is about, I guess. It's a lot of falling and standing up, just like in real life. You can't go lay down when something goes wrong. You always have to rise. You always have to go forward. So I think in Aikido, it is you actually practice that, not only physically but also mentally, especially mentally, I guess.
Woo!